Before you continue with the video on how to change the length of your ringtone on your iPhone, I wanted to do an update because some people apparently have been having trouble getting this to work on their phone. I want to clarify that this may not work on all carriers or all iOSs. The phone I used in this video is an iPhone i6s, although I don't believe the model should matter, but I am using the AT&T network and I'm running iOS 12. So this may or may not work on 13. I haven't tried it yet, so I can't give you any feedback. Maybe somebody who has successfully done this can leave a comment. Also, just to point out the obvious, or maybe not so obvious, the 11-digit number that you see on the video is not the number you're supposed to use. It's just an example. Your phone will give you a different number, but it would be 11 digits. Now that I've clarified that, if you'd like to use the tutorial, I have the link right here. You can click on it on the screen. As always, thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.